Hi, I'm Mama Fontana. Welcome to my deck. There's been a lot of things that have happened in the last few months, and I'm sure that you're all just in your houses trying to do the best you can like the rest of us are. But I haven't seen you, I haven't talked to you, I've been missing everyone, so we thought we'd make a quick update video. In February, I had one of my knees replaced and it's doing great. Getting that fixed was a priority, and I will have to have my other one done later in the year, but you know, standing up and cooking all day can take its toll on you when you have bad knees, so that was one of the things I needed to do. And then guess what happened? COVID-19. Everything changed from there. Just when I was supposed to go back to work and start normality again, we went ahead and we did some videos ahead so that you guys could keep watching us, and then everything kind of went to crap. So life is what it is, and we all get by, and I hope that you're all well. I hope that your families are doing well. I know that everybody is up to their eyeballs in staying home and wearing masks and being safe and being sad and lonely, because you know, we are a social people. We like to be around everyone. We like to be in groups. You miss your family, you miss your grandkids. I know I sure do. So we just wanted to kind of give you a heads up and let you know that we are thinking about you, that the things that are important to you are important to us. So we are going to be coming back very shortly. We're going to start doing some other videos pretty soon so that we can all get back to normal. Although I do feel like the normal that we've had is going to be a little bit different. But whatever it is, we adapt. That's what we do. So we miss you. We can't wait to see you again. I hope that everything is going well for you and your families. Keep tuning in. Keep watching the old videos. We'll have some new ones up soon. You got an itch, baby? We'll see you soon. Take care. Juno, looky what I got. Oh, she got the cheats.